Are you okay? Reality's fine.
Are you okay, Wayne?
All right, hold on a second. Hold on. So, Lord have mercy. I do want to send my condolences.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
I know.
remember,
I'm in shock.
uh, he was. Hold on a second. Well, he's going on. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to show this real quick. Um,
Tequila.
let me see. Give me a second. Wow.
You on your backup channel?
Yeah. What in the world? So this is the kind of shit right here. This is what I'm talking about.
Did you hear about the school shooting in Canada?
I heard, yeah, terrible. Y'all, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. And these people want to like nonsense wants to think that I'm what working with this person. Look at her. Look at her fucking playlist. It's making fun of me left and right, calling me fat. Look at that.
It's just all us. All
Name that sound, all about Beej, Craig Prophet, mocking Craig and our religious beliefs. Look, it's making me look like I'm 500 pounds. Just fucking. And this is. And then she just did a history lesson in Brittany J. She's still doing videos about me, and
she's making a whole living off of us.
This person.
That's cyber harassment, man.
Look,
you need to call a lawyer.
So no, I don't understand. Crumma Reels is you reach out to people and or you'll reach out to me and try to give me no, go, Shayna. This is your home. Say what you want to say.
What did the post say? Go to the post.
Let me show you. Well, she put a video out,
and
it's the Brittany emails. Like there's some big,
conspiracy.
Aha, and there's never been an aha because I don't talk to her. Let me show you. Now she put it in all members only.
You just need a lawyer. It's just cyber harassment. It's copyright. It's defamation. There's so many different things.
Why are you, Crumma Reels? Why are you doing this?
Because they think you won't do anything. You won't get a lawyer to do anything about it.
I mean, honestly, those emails.
You got a lawyer last time they got away with it. They can keep on. You gotta put them a stop to it.
Those
you don't stand up and get a lawyer. They're just gonna keep
those emails. If anything, Crumma, just show you for what you are.
Responded.
I mean, to be honest, like if you don't,
I just don't understand.
There's no sense in crying about it. To be honest.
Yeah, I'm not crying. No, I don't. Look, I don't. This person right here is low on the totem pole. This one right here is. Yeah, he doesn't. I don't think he knows who Crumma Reels is. I don't think I've ever. Where did the other video go? The history of Brittany. There it is. What? What is this?
A
And then she
podcast.
puts that on $199 tier too.
What?
Yeah.
Actual F word.
This
What?
video documents and analyzes recent public live stream responses involving Brittany. Look, she put my whole name. That's completely doxed me.
$199.
So, Crama Reels, you send a message to me today through another person, and you tell me you want to thank me for not sharing your emails.
I can't get over that. $199. Get the out of here.
Yep.
You people are disgusting. Wow. And I am me, myself, and I. I am reality wins. Yes, I am.
Mm-hmm.
I know who I am. You're not gonna break me. I'll say it 20 million times. You can all if y'all could see my middle finger, there it is.
Can you believe?
I'm so sick and tired of you guys trying to stir
Where's the
shit,
old song of that?
conjure up
Hold on,
something,
guys. Hold on.
throw something out there that doesn't exist, spin a narrative. You guys are all doing the effery over there. It is immature. Oh, thank you. Oh, Jiggy, that's cute. Yeah, talk about exploitation. Of course. And its finest.